Hey everybody, in today's video we will talk about arbitrage. Now what is an arbitrage? So arbitrage in simple words, if I have to say, it's simply a financial technique in which we buy something at a cheaper rate and sell that particular thing at a much higher price at some other place. So it's a very simple technique of buying something and then selling something in order to make profit. And if you will look at the definition of an arbitrage, so it is a financial strategy that involves taking advantage of a price difference of the same asset or security in different markets or at different times. And the only goal of an arbitrage is to make a profit by buying low in one market and selling high in another. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use this arbitrage in the cryptocurrency world, because this arbitrage is not strictly related to cryptocurrency or a particular asset. This is related to all the financial markets, be it stocks or gold price or whatever you are buying or selling. But in today's video, we will focus on how we can use arbitrage in order to make profit on cryptocurrency. So there are basically various types of arbitrage. So we have a special arbitrage, temporal arbitrage, statistical arbitrage, and triangular arbitrage. You can learn about all these different arbitrage because these are very simple to understand. But in this video, we will talk about triangular arbitrage because this is one of the most famous, I will say, arbitrage, which is widely used in the cryptocurrency world. And we will talk about this triangular arbitrage. Let's say this is a person who owns one Bitcoin and we have these three cryptocurrency exchanges, A, B, and C. And that's why the name triangular, right? Because it involves at least three places, A, B, and C. At place A, as you can see, the price of Bitcoin is equal to 30th. And again, this is some parallel universe, okay? So do not say, okay, but when I'm checking the price on Google, it is not equal to 30th. So let's think that, okay, this is one of the parallel universe that we are living, where one Bitcoin is equal to 30th, okay? And at cryptocurrency B, at cryptocurrency exchange B, it is 1 ETH is equal to 10 Sol. Okay, so I hope everyone knows about Sol, that is Solana token. Okay, and at C, you can see that we have 300 Sol equal to 1.5 Bitcoin. Okay, great. Now let's say this person is a smart investor and this person founds an arbitrage opportunity, a triangular arbitrage opportunity, which involves this Bitcoin. So let's see whether it is an arbitrage or not. So this person will go to cryptocurrency exchange A. Okay, this person will go to A and it will exchange one Bitcoin with 30th. Okay, because this is what we can do at different exchanges, right? We can swap our cryptocurrencies, we can trade our cryptocurrencies. And then this person will go to B and then this person will exchange this 30th with this Solana token, right? And as you can see that when ETH is equal to 10 Sol, so 30th will be equivalent to 300 Sol, right? Simple mathematics. Now this person will again go to cryptocurrency exchange C, where he traded his 300 Sol tokens with this 1.5 Bitcoin. So you can clearly see that this person made a profit, right? Because initially he was holding one Bitcoin and now he is holding 1.5 Bitcoin. So the profit that this person made is 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5 Bitcoin. So initially he started with one Bitcoin, okay? And finally he got this 1.5 Bitcoin, okay? So the profit that he made is 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5 Bitcoin. And so sorry for my handwriting, but what can I do about it, right? But still, he made a profit of 0.5 Bitcoin. And this is what an triangular arbitrage is. Now let's take one more example, but this example will be of not a triangular arbitrage. So let's say again we have this ABC cryptocurrency exchange. And again at A, 1 Bitcoin is equal to 30th, 1 ETH is equal to 10 Sol at B, and at C, you can see that 300 Sol is equal to 1 Bitcoin. Now let's say this person starts at cryptocurrency exchange A and exchange 1 Bitcoin with 30th, and then again go to B and exchange 30th with 10 Sol. So we will got 300 Sol. And now when he got to C, 300 Sol is now equal to 1 Bitcoin. So in this particular case, you can clearly see that he started with 1 Bitcoin and he ended up with 1 Bitcoin only. So this clearly shows that this is not a profitable triangular arbitrage, right? And that's why I will say that, okay, this is not an arbitrage, right? Why it is not an arbitrage? Because I think, because he is not making any profit, right? So he's just doing a trade, but still he's not making a profit. So in this particular case, initially he was having 1 Bitcoin and at the end, at the end, he was left with 1 Bitcoin. And again, it will be less than 1 Bitcoin because we have so many fees, the fees that we have to give to the miners, the fees that we have to give to the cryptocurrency exchange, irrelevant whether they are, whether they are centralized or decentralized, we have to give some amount of trading fee as well. But let's say that is zero, then also this person is not making any profit. He started with 1 Bitcoin and ended up with 1 Bitcoin. So the profit that he made is zero, right? So I will say that this is not a triangular arbitrage. So I hope now you understood what is an arbitrage. It's simply a technique, or simply a financial technique or strategy where you buy something at a lower price and sell that particular thing at a higher price. Okay. Currently, we talked about triangular arbitrage. It can be a simple arbitrage as well, where there is only two cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's say cryptocurrency exchange A and B. Let's say here you found a token at lower price, for example, at let's say from $1 only. Okay. You are seeing that, okay, there is a token whose worth is $1, but at B, the token worth is $1.5. So again, what you can do is you can buy a token at cryptocurrency exchange A, and then you can sell it at B. So you will be having a profit of $0.5, right? If you are taking only one token from cryptocurrency exchange A and selling it at B. So this is what an arbitrage is all about. And in the upcoming videos, we will also see how we can implement this triangular arbitrage in the Solidity smart contract. So in the next video, we will talk about flash loan smart contract. And after that, we will see how we can use arbitrage and flash loan smart contract in order to do a profitable arbitrage. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Meet you soon in the next video.